One of Vietnam's leading pharmaceutical companies, Vifaco is a big fish in a very small pond. It's one of the largest manufacturers of vaccines in Vietnam, and more recently has started exporting to Cambodia and Laos. But the company could be on the edge of a very large pond when it joins the markets of the Trans-Pacific Partnership, and there it'll be swimming with sharks.
Once Vietnam joined the TPP, we will face some challenges regarding intellectual copyright and human resources. At the moment, all of our staff are local and we lack foreign expertise, so we need to raise our quality level to meet the global standard.
Drug companies in particular will face tough restrictions under the TPP. Non-US companies will face competition from the pharma giants and will have to meet strict regulations regarding safety standards. Many drugs they already produce will have to be shelved because of copyright infringement. The opportunities of new open markets are considerable, and for the poorest export-driven nations within the TPP like Vietnam, cheap manufacturing costs could give them the edge. But many sectors will lose out to well-established names in the US and increased regulation. That prospect has already prompted protests around the world, with concerns that smaller companies and workers will lose out against the economic might of the TPP's larger partners. And that could lead to ideological conflicts as well.
The recent 12th Communist Party Congress here in Vietnam illustrated the complications of balancing a socialist ideology with a vibrant market economy. And when it joins the TPP, Vietnam is going to find itself in competition with some of the most vibrant market economies in the world.
Vietnam's government will soon be obliged to allow independent labor unions and individual rights under the terms of the TPP, and the recent leadership battle suggests the speed of reform could be a concern for some in the party. But those changes must come for Vietnam to advance, say some of those who guide the economy.
The development in the world economy requests from Vietnam to enhance its competitiveness, to conduct restructuring of the economy and to a knowledge-based economy.
The ladies at the end of Vifaco's production line take pride in sending out well-packaged product, and they say they're a vital step in the company's quality control. But they illustrate the challenges Vietnam will face in the TPP, where cheap labor won't count for much against modern technology. Tony Cheng, CCTV, Hanoi.